Hi guys, you're watching Travel Clicks with Efron. Come along with us to Rajasthan. So we are on to the destination Udaipur. Now we are in the Udaipur City Palace, which is the second largest palace in India. It is built over the period of nearly 400 years. This palace is located in the east bank of Lake Pichola and it was built in the Flameon style. You can see the fusion of the Rajasthani and the Mughal architecture style, providing a panoramic view to the city and its surroundings. So, while entering into the corridors, you can see the corridor rooms, vents, courtyards of the palace, and it is all shows a majestic and a panoramic view of the town and the lake Pichola. And this is the ornament image you can see of the Lord Ganesha inside while entering, and there are many works in the side and large display of the antique pictures by the traditional Mewar style. The front wall containing a big two windows with embedded small glass pieces. You could see the colors like red, blue, green, yellow, and you can also see the colorful expansion of the Udaipur city through it. And the colorful glasses, it is called the Shisha Mahal. So this is beyond this wall, there is a large balcony offering an amazing view of the Udaipur city. While watching through all these, you can see it is a yourself in the history of the Maharanas Mahal. So really you can feel the culture and the royalty of that, how they lived, and it is all included in the palace of the royal men and also women, which is known to be the Maradana Mahal and Zanana Mahal. By leaving this place, we are going to Pichola Lake, which is an artificial freshwater lake which is created in 1362 AD, which is named after the nearby Pichola village. Overlooking the Lake Pichola, several historic monuments is like Lake Palace, Jag Mandir, Jagdish Temple, Monsoon Palace, and all these are in the vicinity of the palace complex. We can see the view over there. So we are on to the third destination, which is Sahelion Ki Bari, which was laid for the group of 48 maidens, and this garden is located in the bank of Fateh Sagar Lake, which is presenting a green retreat in the dry lands of Rajasthan. So it is built by the Maharama Samdhan Singh for the royal ladies. So this garden was designed by the king himself, and he presented this garden to his queen. This has been planned as by hearing the soothiness of the sound, and there's a beautiful garden surrounding all the way. You could see So we are on to the fourth destination, that is Maharana Pratap Memorial, which is a historic site built in 18th century that is dedicated to the gallant Maharana Pratap, situated at the top of Moti Marki, and this memorial overlooked the Fateh Sagar Lake. So it always mentioned it was made in the memory of the loved ones. You could see the most thrilling features of the memorial. And the museum built on the premises of the memorial has an enormous collection of paintings, and the most thrilling feature of the memorial is the life-sized bronze statue of Maharana Pratap sitting on his faithful horse. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give a comment and subscribe to my channel, and also please press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and see you guys later.